Students, types of sentence which is very important in English grammar. I feel it will be better to make you understand first in Odia. বাক্য বাক্য সাধারণত তিন প্রকার সরল বাক্য যৌগিক বাক্য এবং জটিল বাক্য সরল ইজ সিম্পল যৌগিক ইজ কম্পাউন্ড and jotila is complex. How to diagnose whether it is simple or compound or complex? It is the motto of today's teaching. But students, it is very important to know the finite verb. Without a clear-cut idea about finite verb, we can't distinguish simple, complex, or compound. Let me make you explain what is finite verb. Tensed verb. What is tensed verb? That is finite verb. What is finite verb? The verb which tells the tense of a sentence. That is finite verb. Let me give you some example. I am playing cricket. You see, which is the verb? It is common. The children, the students, they will answer playing is the verb. Yes, correct. But students, I'm playing is the verb. That playing cannot tell the tense. Let me tell, I was playing cricket. Here is playing. Here is playing. But this sentence is present and this is past. How did you know? From am and was. So am is the finite verb, was is the finite verb. I think you are clear about the finite verb. The verb, further I repeat, the verb which tells the tense of the sentence, that is finite verb. And that's why finite verb is important to distinguish, to know whether it is simple, compound or complex. Let me give you some examples of all these three types of sentences.
ତୁମେ ନହେଲେ ଥାକ ପଳେଇ ଆସୁଛୁ ନା
I didn't follow the rules. I didn't follow the rules as you had directed me. I didn't follow the rules and got blocked. In the three sentences, here did is the finite verb, did is the finite verb, did is the finite verb. In this sentence, there is only one finite verb, that is did. But you see, In this sentence, there are two finite verbs. This is one is did and another is had. In this sentence, one is did and another is got. So, this sentence having one finite verb is what? Simple. Please remember, the sentence having one finite verb is simple sentence. But the problem, in this sentence having two finite verbs, in this sentence it is having two finite verbs, but one is compound, another is complex. There are rules to know which is the compound and which is the complex. Which is the key? How can you know? Now the key is the conjunction. ପିଲେ ବୁଝିଲ ବାକ୍ୟ ଦୁଇଟାକୁ ଯିଏ ଯୋଡୁଛି, that is conjunction. Conjunction is a connecting word. In this sentence, this is the connector. In this sentence, this is the connector. Connector, to make you understand, तुमको बुझेबा ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି connector. But it is conjunction. But these two conjunctions are not of same type. What do you mean? Let me clear you about and. Then it will be better to say what is ours. For a high school students, some conjunctions are to be remembered. মনে রেখে দেবো বেটা। প্রথমে আগে বুঝিবা পূর্বরু আমি চটকিনি কহিদবা। কোন কহিদবা? Whether it is compound or complex. It is the easiest. ମୁଁ ମୋର ପ୍ରମୋରେ କହିଥିଲି, ଯାହାକୁ ପିଲାମାନେ ଅତି ହାର୍ଡ ବୋଲି ଭାବନ୍ତି ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଇଜି କରିଦବା। ଏ ହେଉଛି ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ସୂତ୍ର ମୁଁ ଦେଉଛି। କ'ଣ ସୂତ୍ର? ନା ଏଇ କଞ୍ଜକ୍ସନ ସଂଖ୍ୟା କେତେ? ଆମେ କାହିଁକି ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବା? ସଂଖ୍ୟା ଶହ ଶହ ଆମେ ଏତେ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ କଥା ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବାନି। ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟିଆ ସୂତ୍ରଟେ ଦେବି, ମନେ ରଖୁଛୁ ପିଲା? ଚେଷ୍ଟା କର। ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଇଂଲିଶ, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଫର୍ମୁଲା ଦେଉଛି, ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ଫର୍ମୁଲା, ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ଶବ୍ଦ। ଆରେ ଦେଖିଲ, ବି ସ୍କୋୟାର ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ପଳେଇଲା, ଆଣ୍ଟି ଓ କ୍ୟୁ ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ରୁ ଏ ସ୍କୋୟାର ଏଫ୍ ଡଟ୍ 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 4। ବହୁ ଇଂଲିଶରେ ବିଜ୍ଞ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଅଛନ୍ତି, এটা ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ। ମୋର ଅଭିଜ୍ଞତାରୁ ଯୋଉ ପିଲାମାନେ ଭାବନ୍ତି, ମାନେ they think that they are the dullest, by applying this formula I have made them clear to distinguish, to know whether it is compound or complex. B square double B 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 9 9 to 11 12 plus 4, that is 16. We have to remember 16 connectors. There are so many. कालक्रमे तुम बहुत कथा जानी पारिबो उच्चतर श्रेणी रे, but in class 10 we have to remember these 16 connectors. A connectors अछंती माने that is compound. मने रखियो पड़िबो what is B. Let me tell you, B square and T, OQ, A square F, B रे besides, B रे but, A रे and, N रे nevertheless, T रे therefore, Y रे it, O रे or, O रे otherwise, O रे orange, S रे so, S रे still, F रे for. And what is dot dot for? That is my formula. Not only dot dot, but also both dot dot and either dot dot or neither dot dot nor. ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମେ ଯଦି 16ଟି କଞ୍ଜକ୍ସନକୁ ମନେ ରଖିଦେବା ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଯିବା ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ହେଉଛି କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ। এইମାନେ ଯେହେତୁ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଏ 16ଟିକୁ ମୁଁ କହିଲି କନେକ୍ଟର୍ସ, ଦେ ଆର୍ କଞ୍ଜକ୍ସନ୍, ବଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଟାଇପ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସରେ ରେକଗ୍ନାଇଜ୍ କରିବାକୁ ହେଲେ ଏହାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ କୋଅର୍ଡିନେଟର୍ସ। এই 16ଟି କୋଅର୍ଡିନେଟରକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲା ପରେ ଆଉ ଅନେକ ଅଛି। After, before, until, till, when, how, why, that, lots of. আচ্ছা এই 16টিকে মনে রখিদেলা পরে ଆଉ ଯାହା ରହିଲା the rest of the conjunctions are meant for complex without knowing anything, without understanding the difficult rules and regulations of English grammar. It is easy for us to know, to recognize which sentence is simple and which is compound and which is complex. Then we can go through some other examples by which we can distinguish these sentences. Okay? If you can collect this statement, you can collect these statements in your notebook, because in English grammar this process is not found. I feel it is my formula, so better to write it, to remember it, and to make your brain clear to say whether the sentence is simple, compound, or complex. The teacher explained that the earth moves round the sun. The room is new, but the walls are dirty. Okay, another sentence. I am your best friend in teaching English. First, how can we signify? No, it is simple, compound, complex. What is the first step? The first step is to sort out the finite verb. In this sentence, in the first sentence, which is the finite verb? Explain, then think please. Any other? Okay, another moves. In the second sentence, which is the finite verb? Is any other? Yes, or. In the third sentence, any other? No. Okay, the third sentence is what? Simple. Why? having one finite verb. Let's come to number 1. We have to know which is the connector, conjunction. That. So that out of that 16, b square anti, OQ, a square, dot dot 4, ভিতরে নাই. So undoubtedly, কিচ্ছি না বুঝি কি, I can say it is complex. In the second sentence, which is the connector, but ষোলো ভিতরে অছন্তি, অর্থাৎ this is compound. Another thing I have told you, the connectors, the conjunction of the compound sentence is told as co-ordinator. Similarly, the conjunction of the complex sentence is told as sub-ordinator. As to my experience, as for your need, if I can ask you how many co-ordinators are important for you, please tell 16. But think, 16 it is not limited. It is more. First, to gather knowledge, you have to remember 16 coordinators. Then what is the number of sub-ordinator? Lots of. Nothing to remember. Why nothing to remember? We have 16 for a compound and more than 16 is complex. I think my teaching will make you clear to identify, to know simple, compound, complex. Any doubt? You may comment in my YouTube channel. I think you must comment it and like, subscribe and share it for our benefit. And next, I will make you clear about complex, which is important for so many English chapters. Thank you.